Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there was a little frog named Max. Max had one big dream. He wanted to be the greatest jumper in the whole forest. The problem was, Max was terrible at jumping. Every time he jumped, he landed in the mud. Splat, or he rolled down the hill. Boom! 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 The birds laughed. Ha ha! Max, maybe you should try flying instead. But Max was resilient. He said, I will keep trying. I will not give up. So, every morning, Max practiced. He jumped over rocks and fell. Ouch! He jumped over leaves and fell again. Sometimes he even crashed into a tree. Bunk! The animals laughed louder. Poor Max. He will never make it. But Max smiled and said, falling is just practice for success. One day, there was a big forest jumping contest. The rabbit jumped perfectly. The kangaroo made an amazing jump. And then, it was Max's turn. Everyone whispered, oh no, this will be funny. Max took a deep breath. He remembered all his falls, all the mud, all the bruises. And he said, this time, I'm ready. He jumped once, twice. And then, with all his frog power, he made the biggest jump of his life. And guess what? He landed perfectly. Ta-da! The crowd went silent. Then everyone clapped and cheered. The owl shouted, that is resilience. He failed many times, but he never gave up. The lesson, Max smiled and said, yes, falling is not the end. It is just the beginning of success. From that day, Max became the best jumper in the forest. Moral of the story. Resilience means you don't quit. Even if you fail 100 times, the 101st time can change everything. Outro. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more fun English stories.